Hi, folks. So, today we're going to learn how content creates a brand. And I was in a mall in my town, and I thought that I'll just take you around and show you the power of content. The first place that I visited was the Sold Store. This is one of my favorite brands. And when I say brand, that comes after a company has invested good time into its content. As you can see, the vibe of the offline store had so many small little things like this quotation, the mention of the website, there was an infographic speaking about their company, there was the logo highlighted multiple times, and the bag as well. Everything was minute yet significant. Then I visited this place, the Adams home, and this had a very Greek vibe to it. Not a lot of content usage, but interesting. I came across this store, Tales and Stories, which was a store for kids. Interesting name, isn't it? We went around and saw a couple of other stores as well. I realized one thing that while a company can be made with vision and ideas of the founder, content helps in building the brand. That is also the role of a content writer. I hope this video was helpful, a just tiny little glimpse into my day out. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll see you in the next video.